Most people assume they've simply become lazy or undisciplined, but that's not what's happening. The real issue is biological. Your brain's reward system has been gradually reshaped by the environment you live in. Here's why. Your brain evolved in a world where interesting things happened occasionally. A strange sound, an unfamiliar face, a shift in the landscape. Each of those moments triggered a small burst of a chemical called dopamine, which essentially told your brain, pay attention, this could matter. The problem is that the modern world delivers that same signal dozens of times per minute. Every swipe, every ping, every new post generates a microburst of neurological stimulation. And your brain, which is designed to respond to novelty, keeps chasing it. Over time, this creates a mismatch. Slow, deep tasks, reading, studying, writing, thinking, can't compete with the speed of digital stimulation. Your brain doesn't find them boring because they lack value. It finds them boring because your internal reward threshold has shifted. There are three core mechanisms driving this. First, reward fragmentation. Rapid stimulation breaks focus into pieces. Instead of one sustained attention arc, your brain gets dozens of tiny ones. Each fragment feels satisfying in the moment, but collectively they prevent you from ever reaching cognitive depth. Second, switching fatigue. Every time you shift from one task to another, your brain has to mentally reboot. This uses energy, and research shows that even after you switch, part of your attention stays anchored to the previous task. You never fully arrive at what you're doing. You stay perpetually shallow. Third, zero boredom tolerance. Boredom isn't just discomfort, it's a neurological reset. When your brain has nothing to react to, it starts generating its own signals, ideas, memories, creative connections. But if you eliminate every moment of stillness by reaching for your phone, your brain learns that discomfort must be fixed immediately. And once that pattern is established, even a few minutes of quiet becomes unbearable. So what do? The recovery process is straightforward, but it requires consistency. Reduce the density of stimulation in your day. Fewer tabs, fewer notifications, less reflexive scrolling. Give your brain space between dopamine spikes. Practice single tasking. Pick one thing. Work on it without switching. It will feel uncomfortable at first. That discomfort is your brain relearning what depth feels like. And reintroduce boredom deliberately. Walk without headphones. Wait without your phone. Sit quietly for a few minutes. These moments aren't wasted time. They're attention training. Start small. 20 minutes of uninterrupted focus on one task. No checks, no switches, just depth. Each time you hold it, the system gets stronger. The core truth is this. Your attention wasn't lost. It was trained by an environment optimized for engagement, not for thinking. But the same brain that adapted in one direction can adapt in another. The question is which environment you choose to spend time in. Train your attention, or let the algorithm train it for you. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe to Stickysane for more content that actually makes sense. See you in the next one.